The beat has several synchronization options, which can be configured in the Sync Options mode. With the pedal unplugged, press and hold the prog button and plug in the pedal. We hold it down for 5 seconds. Now the pedal is in sync mode. The LEDs indicate the status of the currently selected option. We can change the status using the right or left switch. With the beat knob, we can choose the option we want to configure. Let's select the option that controls the beat's tempo source and set it to MIDI. There is a second page of options available, and we access it by tapping on the prog button. On this second page, we navigate through the options with the bank knob. To save our configuration and exit this mode, we hold down prog for a few seconds. The beat is now ready to play, and this LED indicates that it is waiting for a MIDI connection, which we just configured. In playback mode, we can synchronize the beat with other instruments via MIDI. Now the key step controls our rhythms, which are played when the device indicates and will follow its changes. We can switch through the beats while in a synchronized performance, and also add or remove aliasing. We can also have changes programmed in a sequence and play them through program change events, which the beat accepts on MIDI channel 10. We can also use the beat to control other instruments. Let's enter Sync Options mode. First, we set the tempo source back to internal and select option 2. This sets the sync output. We change it from MIDI to clock and save this configuration. Let's choose a bank and a beat to play. Now set the monotribe to wait for the clock signal. When we run the beat, it will send the signal making the monotribe play simultaneously. We can adjust the tempo or change the rhythm, maintaining the synchronization between devices. When we stop the beat, it will no longer send its clock, and the monotribe will stop playing. The beat can be both a MIDI master or slave for other devices. Now we have the key step connected again, sending out MIDI commands, and the monotribe connected through the clock output, as in the previous example. We can get everything to run in sync and use our beats in a recording or performance. The beat complies with various sync standards, which allows you to connect to many different devices. Now we're in joystick mode, where we can also trigger the sounds from an external device, like the key step. In this mode, the beat can act as a sound module. Let's pitch down the bass drum a bit, and the snare. We can now trigger them with a MIDI connection. In addition to playing them manually, we can also reproduce a sequence or arpeggio. All 4 sounds are accessible, independently of the ones we have assigned to our switches, with 2 levels of velocity.